valid word and blocking or underlining non-word. Generation, ordering and display of say high towards the candidates. Provision to ignore the stopped word. Because he may make mistake of a name. Replace local or global by a candidate. Appending or deleting a word. Split word and one word needs to change. And two words also needs to change. So how do you take care of the echo form? We have to check whether the next word is not in the dictionary, has been generated by replacing by to or for of the previous word. So you will have to pass. Otherwise, some kind of dictionary is suffix, and you can go from forward to the root word part and from backward to the suffix part. So suffix part, you have a suffix dictionary, and root word part, you have a root word dictionary, and try to check whether that really is passed. Actually, what you have to see also, whether this suffix which has passed correctly or accepted by the dictionary is a grammatically correct suffix for the word. That should be also clear. So it is not as simple as I say here, but the general principle by which you can use different heritage or the suffix word which are still not in the dictionary for detecting the example. For Samasha also, here are some problems. For Samasha, first look for something, and suppose you got a match in the dictionary. Don't stop. If there are some more characters, make a sort of flag, and then go for the next word. And if there is another word, maybe these two together, you can have a different color of underline. That is possibly a valid word, but may not also. You can always really join the valid words together to befool the software. But hopefully if it is not done, then quite often this method, this simple approach will be done. Next please. Okay, the Raman and split word. So this is something like a Raman. Ami, Dal. So there is no space in it. So it has become a So they are always again do the same thing as in case of Samasa. Once you got a match in the dictionary Ami, you should also see whether this goes continue to the next one. If yes, then okay. Most likely this is a around this. Or a valid Samasa. Similarly, the other way around, so this space unnecessarily or by mistake have been introduced here by pressing a space key. So here what we have to do in general, that if this is not a word which is accepted by the dictionary, we look for the next one. If both are not accepted, then there is a likelihood. So both of them should be. But we may have some problem. For example, here, if it is a valid word, it will pass. It will say that no, not both of the words, both of the parts are wrong. Dictionary will not, spellchecker will not be able to distinguish, sort of find it to be a split word. So you may try to correct it by some other valid word, but not the right kind of error in this okay? Am I clear? Maybe because I I am going very fast. If you have any question, maybe you can ask me. Again, to take care of both, because in Bangla also we have very difficulties, and almost all so-called, spelling standardization problems arises because of this. Indoikar versus Ukar, Ukar, and etc. and all problems. So, what we can do, we can graph short versus long. This shorty versus long, and make a sort of semi-phonetic dictionary. 3 R's you can combine, R, and even version of R you can class together. No, and these kinds of shorts. Then the real words, some of the real words will be short into one. But the advantage is that in that semi-phonetic dictionary, if you get a match, then if it is tagged to or connected to, say, one or multiple. If it is to one, then you just pass. If it is multiple, then you say that it is short. So you quickly go to the error detection without doing all kinds of distance and but what we can do, we first do this semi-phonetic form, and in that, if there is other mistake, that also can be corrected by those kind of errors. Till now, this is not exactly my work. So, this is about how many characters we have to take care of in computation and other things. By typing, you have to type this assumption to make this even Dekar and A should be separate. Yeah, next. Yeah, I was discussing this. How to look for a string whether it is correct or not. From left, you search for the root word. You may get 2 matches, one match and second match. Similarly, from here, you go for suffix, then Chite Chilam. So, Chilam is a direct suffix, and Chite is also. Chite Chilam is also direct suffix. In this way, you can have in general more number of suffixes. But if it is a valid word, then first thing is that it will directly match the suffix position with the word. If say word is here and the suffix matches is here, then it's not possible. So that is the first indication that it will work. Second, of course, I will have to check whether it is grammatically, whether this suffix really goes for it. See what will happen to this word. Chilam. There is a valid word, so you will get one valid word stop, one flag. There is a valid word. Then from this side, Chilam is a valid suffix. E is also valid suffix. So Chilam is also আমি এখন ফাইনাল সেটিং এর কাজ চেষ্টা করছি this actually didn't finish and then we okay so this is now my technique. My technique is that instead of keeping the valid the normal dictionary, you keep also a dictionary which is made of characters which are put in the reverse order. So, for example, for the word Ratan, in the reverse order dictionary it will appear as not or of. This last character first, second character second, and first character the last. In this way, you prepare a reverse dictionary and then make it alphabetically. And if you use that, I show that this is next thing. You don't have to go into the calculation. And I will show that this can be extended to not only single error, double error, triple error also with much less problem. For this, to make it fast, I will use this word try structure. Try really retry that. So that part of try has been standardized by the general language. It has been used by many people. And which people of computer science. Try is a G-like structure where it is not corresponds to a character which is in this case. Try is used in many other situations. So we use both D and DR is reverse together. Next please. In a multi-try, in a three-try structure, what will happen? If this is the root, রুট থেকে কি হলো যতগুলো ক্যারেক্টার দিয়ে প্রথম শব্দ শব্দ বাংলা শব্দ আদৌ শুরু হতে পারে সেগুলোর জন্য ব্রাঞ্চ বেরিয়ে গেল সেই ব্রাঞ্চে তো ইত্যাদি তারপর যে অক্ষরগুলো আর কি সেই অক্ষরের পরে থাকতে পারে সেখান থেকে ব্রাঞ্চ চলে গেল এইভাবে আমরা যদি ব্রাঞ্চ করে যদি জিনিসটাকে রাখি তাহলেই হচ্ছে আর কি একটা ট্রাই স্ট্রাকচার রাখি আমি সেটাকে বলছি যে ট্রাই কেন multiple try করতে পারি in the same try like structure by putting some kind of tara to the for example আমি যদি conventional dictionary জন্য একটা রং দিয়ে রাখি মানে ব্রাঞ্চের কানেকশন শুরু করে তাহলে ওই নোড থেকে পরের নোডে যেটা আসছে সেটা হচ্ছে ওই তারা এবার যদি আপনি রিভার্স ডিকশনারির জন্য করে থাকি তাহলে একটু যেমন দেখুন রিভার্স ডিকশনারিতে এখানে যে জি ধান আমি এখান থেকে এই রিভার্স ডিকশনারিতে গ ই ঘ আ এটা হচ্ছে জি ধান কিন্তু এসেছে উল্টো দিক থেকে ন আকার ঘ ফলে এখানে আমি আরো কম্প্যাক্টলি রাখতে চাই কমন হবে এই একই কমন থেকে ফরওয়ার্ড আসতে পারছি কিন্তু আমি জানি আমি কালারটাকে কালারটা দেখাচ্ছে না কালারটাকে চেঞ্জ করি মানে কালারটা ধরে ব্রাঞ্চ ধরে যদি আমি এগোই হবে তাহলে আমি কখন কোনটাতে